A 25-year-old woman puts $250 in a retirement account each quarter until she reaches the age of 45, and then makes no further deposits. If the account pays 4.4% compounded quarterly, how much will be in the account when the woman reaches the age of 65? So this is going to be a two-part question because we have two different time frames. We have the time frame from when the woman is 25 years old to when she's 45, and then from when she's 45 to when she's 65. So let's look at the first time frame. So 45 minus 25 is 20. So this is the first 20 years. And in those first 20 years, the PYCY is 4. So N is going to be 20 times 4. Now, we know that the payment is going to be $250 because it says that the woman puts $250 in a retirement account each quarter. So because it's happening multiple times, that's why it's the PMT and not the PV. So the present value is going to be 0 because we are starting out with nothing. The interest rate is going to be 4.4, and we are trying to find the future value. So the future value will be $31,803.26. So that's how much will be in the account when the woman is 45 years old. So now for the second time frame, 65 minus 45 is also 20. So this is the second 20 years. So this will be 20 times 4 as well for N. And the PYCY is 4. Now it says that she makes no further deposits. So the payment, the PMT, is going to be 0. And the interest rate is still 4.4. Now, our starting off point for the second time frame is the ending point from the first time frame. So I'm going to transfer that from the future value into the present value. And then I'm looking for the future value. So when the woman reaches the age of 65, she's going to have $76,306.95.